The Commissioner in charge of Animal Health at the Ministry of Agriculture, Animal Industry and Fisheries, Dr. Rose Ademun, has called for the minimizing of export bans and rejections of livestock products due to poor standards. Dr. Ademun made these remarks at the opening of the 7th Inter-Regional Regulatory Body's Chief Veterinary Officers meeting of IGAD exporting and MENA exporting countries in Entebbe.
There is a lot of import requirements from the MENA countries. So the more we are able to meet the standards, the standard requirements for health of the animals on the other side and also safety of the human beings that consume the meat, the better.
The meeting aims to strengthen networking among regulatory bodies to foster confidence, transparency and trust in meeting compliance standards. Dr. Ademun urged both exporting and importing countries to adhere to the required standards to facilitate market access for traders, thereby increasing the volume of livestock exported to MENA countries.
The emphasis today is how we help our traders, our farmers, the importers on the other side by making sure that at the chief veterinary officer level, we coordinate and support the trade to move very fast and increase the volumes, of course. The more the volume, the better the income.
Jocelyn Bigirwa, the head of the IGAD mission in Uganda, revealed that IGAD states have been working to improve animal disease surveillance, vaccination and disease control to meet sanitary requirements and halal standards.
However, the volume of exports we do have covers only 50% of the live animals and only 10% of meat annual demand of the MENA region, meaning that we still need to do a lot because the demand is quite high on the MENA side and the IGAD region is quite, the supply is quite limited.
The head of livestock and fisheries at the IGAD Center for Pastoral Areas and Livestock Development noted that compliance with the requirements, improved compliance would address the 50% gap in live animals and the 90% gap in meat on the MENA market, thereby attracting better prices.
The CBOs, the regulatory bodies need to support the animal owners, the traders to vaccinate and to get proper certification in time before as per the requirement and as per the request of the importing countries. So
the Livestock Development Officer at the Food and Agriculture Organization Sub-Regional Office for Eastern Africa, Ricardo Mondre, stated that compliance will help IGAD states mitigate the severe economic impacts that arise whenever trade in livestock and meat is halted due to travel restrictions and livestock diseases. Dennis Igoa and Sulaka Gugube for UBC News.